Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable block unknown account messages in WhatsApp Desktop step by step. This privacy feature helps reduce spam and unwanted messages by limiting messages from unknown accounts. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Desktop on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Here, you'll see an option called Block Unknown Account Messages. Click the toggle switch next to this option to turn it on. Once enabled, WhatsApp will automatically help protect you from excessive messages sent by unknown accounts. This can reduce spam and improve your overall messaging experience. After enabling the feature, your settings will be saved automatically. You can return to this section at any time if you want to disable or review the setting. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Block Unknown Account Messages in WhatsApp Desktop. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tutorials and privacy tips. See you in the next one.